So my name is Stephen Cox. The surgery I had was a shoulder replacement reversal surgery. Dr. Tarazona was my surgeon. You know, I really knew that Dr. Tarazona and the facility here was the right place, just based off of the friendliness, the professionalism, how straightforward Dr. Tarazona was with the diagnosis and what the recommended surgery was. Dr. Tarazona really took the time to explain the situation with my shoulder in layman's terms. He was able to take the medical diagnosis and break it down into simple terms to where it was understandable. And I could really understand why the lack of movement that I had was affecting my life based off of the MRI and the x-rays. The team here just really absolutely treated me like family. When you walk in the door, everyone seems like they really truly care about you. Very friendly, but also very professional. And it's just a great place and a great experience that I've had so far. Everyone that I've talked to, including Morgan on the telephone, getting everything set up, the staff here, everyone has just been extremely professional. And it's just a pleasure to work with. You know, I never felt rushed by any of my appointments. The team always took the time to explain a lot of my questions. I did have a lot of questions around the surgery, especially about getting back to being active again, trying to get back to as normal as possible. So now they really took the time to explain everything and to make sure that I was comfortable before we ever move forward with anything. For the surgery, it's really struggled with just a good night's sleep. I'd wake up, periodically throughout the night with my shoulder hurting. The other things is, simply I travel a lot for work. So I'm on an airplane all the time. I always made sure that I was on the left side of the airplane so that I could reach up and do my vent or my lights with my left hand. Because I couldn't reach up and adjust the lights or the vent with my right if I sat on the other side of the airplane. So just little things like that reminded me of how important to get the surgery done so that I can get back to normal. It's interesting, the morning of the surgery, I felt no trepidation about the surgery or about what was going to happen. It was just simply my wife and I drove over to the surgery center, and it was just like I was checking in for a normal appointment. There was no hesitation whatsoever. The people at the surgery center was fantastic from the moment I checked in to the time I checked out. While at the surgery center, I can't say there was one staff member that really stood out because the entire team took care of me like I was part of their family. If I had to describe my surgery, the day of the surgery, in 3 words: quick, efficient, professional. The first thing I've done since having surgery that I really had forgotten about, not that I couldn't do it, but I just really forgot about it, was enjoying a full night's sleep without waking up in pain. That was the first thing that I noticed right away once I was able to sleep without the sling. The part of the recovery that surprised me the most was just how quickly my life was able to adjust to post-surgery. For instance, within the first week to week and a half, it was more about the recovery, about icing it, taking my medication, wearing my sling to immobilize it, and then week and a half to 2 weeks, it was more about starting to get back into a normal routine. I even traveled and went to a service conference, 2 weeks out of surgery. After that, from 2 weeks to really about 6 weeks, was working with physical therapy, getting my mobility, getting my stretching and part of my strength back. And then a month and a half into it, Dr. Tarazona allowed me to go play golf. So I've been playing golf ever since the month and a half mark. Getting a chance to be able to go out and play golf again at the month and a half mark was really saying that my life was on its way back to normal again. And to me, that was just important. It's funny, when we first started the conversation about the surgery with Dr. Tarazona and the staff, is, I let them know that I had a hard stop come April. April was our boys golf trip. There's 8 of us that are going to Myrtle Beach this year, and I was not missing that. Either we were going to not have the surgery, if the recovery time was too much, and I would postpone that, or like what Dr. Tarazona and the staff was able to do was be able to fit me in. I'm back to playing golf, back to full speed again, and April is a month and a half away. So getting a chance to go out and play with the boys again and enjoy the trip is, I think, what really drove me to get the surgery done when I did. If I was to explain to a friend or a colleague about Dr. Tarazona and the staff here, would just be professional. Don't hesitate, just go do it. Have faith and trust in him, and the outcomes will be phenomenal.